A quote bloodbath, Duterte vowed to face the process head-on regardless of the outcome.
As lawyers, alam naman natin ang dalawa ng mga abogado, no? Marami silang mga paraan sa batas as a legal recourse for their clients. But sinabihan ko rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.
She added that her legal team is now in quote full throttle exploring all possible remedies to defend her case. The Vice President also said she has already made peace with whatever verdict the Senate may hand down.
Wala akong expectations of acquittal or a verdict guilty. Basta sa akin lang ay tinanggap ko na kung ano yung magiging verdict. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace.
But according to her, it is too early to predict how senators will vote as they have yet to examine all evidence.
Hindi ko alam kung paano boboto ang mga senators. If at all there will be a trial, I think it is wrong to start counting votes now because they haven't seen evidence yet. They haven't seen what the prosecutors have. They haven't seen what our defense is. So, parang mali siguro na magbilingan ng boto ng walang trial.
The VP also said she was not surprised that incoming party list Representative Chel Jokno and Laila De Lima accepted the offer to be part of the prosecution panel.
Well, understandable. Kay Laila De Lima and kay Chel Jokno, they've been very vocal anti-Duterte since birth. Yes. In fact, wala pa sa mapa si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte to become president, ay anti-Duterte na talaga si Secretary De Lima. So, understandable na sasali sila sa prosecution ng impeachment case.
The Senate is set to begin the impeachment trial by July after President Bongbong Marcos's fourth State of the Nation address. For News 5, Bril Montalvo, We Are One News.